Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we are tackling LeetCode Problem number 9, Palindrome Number. This is a great problem that helps you practice your number manipulation skills. So without further ado, let's get you started. Now let's understand the problem first. We are given an integer x and we have to return true if x is a palindrome. Otherwise false. Now what is a palindrome? An integer is a palindrome if it reads same number from the backside as well. For example, let's take we have integer 121. Now 121 reads same from left hand side as it reads same from the right hand side. Hence this should return true. Now if we take another example of minus 121, if we reverse it, it becomes 121 minus. Now this is not equals to our original number. Therefore, this is not a palindrome. Now if we take another example 10. Now when we reverse it, it becomes 0, 1. Now if we represent it as an integer, we know 0 cannot be a leading thing. So it will become 1. Hence it is also not a palindrome. Now we have to also make sure to solve this problem, we won't be converting a number to a string because it is mentioned at the bottom that we should try to solve it without converting the integer to a string. Now let's see it with an example. Suppose we have a number minus 121. When this will be reversed, it will become 121 minus. Now these two numbers are not equal because here the negative sign is at first place, here it is at the last place. Hence it's not a palindrome. Now let's take another example. Let's say we have integer 10. Now when we reverse it, it becomes 0, 1. Again, zeros in integers at leading places are not recognizable. Hence, it will be effectively 1. Now 1 is not equal to 10. Hence, it's not a palindrome. Let's take another example 1, 2, 2, 1. Now when we reverse it, it becomes 1, 2, 2, 1, which is exactly equal and hence it becomes a palindrome. Now let's see how this will work. First of all, we will be reversing only half of the number. So since we are not reversing full number, we will be saving some computation time. Now how this coding logic will look like? We will be reversing the numbers till x is greater than reversed of half. Now why reversed of half? Because we only want to reverse till half of the number. There is a thing in palindrome is that if first half matches the second half in reverse, that means it is a palindrome. Now let's check it. Now in the first 0th iteration, x will look like the same number 1331. Okay, now we start reversing it. So we will take the last digit and put it here. Okay, and the x will remain 1 will become 133. So this is how number will look like. Now still x is greater than reversed of half. So we will continue the loop and now the reverse half will look like something this 1 3 in the next iteration here, right? And x will become 13. So is now 13 greater than 13? No, it is now equal. So we'll stop the loop and now we will check if x current and reverse half are equal. It is equal, hence it is a valid palindrome. Now let's check with an odd number of digit as an example. Here we have number 12321. So this will be our x. Now we will start reversing it. So first we will take out 1 and our x will become 1232. Then we take out 2 and our reverse number will now become 12 and our x will become 123. Now still 123 is greater than 12, so we'll continue the loop. Now it will become the reversed half will become 123 when we take out the third digit and x will become 12. So now we will stop the loop because x is now less than reversed half. Now in this situation where there are odd number of digits, we will remove the last digit and now compare if reversed half is equals to x. Since both are equal, then this is also a palindrome. This is how our coding logic will look like. Now let's code the solution. So first of all, we will define our two conditions that if x is less than 0 and the last digit of our number is 0, that means it can never be a palindrome and hence we return false. Then whatever we have discussed in the coding logic in the previous section, we will cover it up here. We will define the while loop and then we will start reversing the number till half of its digit. And that's now, and then we return if x double equals to reversed or x double equals to reverse modulus 10. Let's run it. Oh, we got an error here. Let's quickly fix that and run again. We get our accepted and then let's submit it, and voila, we get 4 millisecond solution. And that's how you solve LeetCode problem number 9, palindrome number. As always, it's important to think about efficiency, especially when dealing with larger inputs. If you found this video helpful, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more coding tutorials. Thank you.